is a podcast made by the Disability Service of Trinity College, Dublin. In this podcast, I will navigate the academic support web pages on the Trinity College Disability Service website to show you how they offer practical advice and guidance that can help you with your Leaving Cert study. To access the website, go to our homepage, tcd.ie/disability, and then click on Academic and Dyslexia Support. This is the academic support homepage. Along the top of the page, and on each page of the site, there are options to find the best academic support tips from the web that we have compiled here. There's also a media button. Here you can access your own material in audio and visual formats. You can download MP3s and podcasts onto your own media player, or simply listen or watch online anytime. There's also a feedback button where you are welcome to comment or request further information. First, let's look at academic stuff. There's a lot of information available here in leaflet form. In each section, there's an avatar that tells you the information that is available there. Let's look at essay writing.
This section contains downloadable leaflets in Microsoft Word. You can read and listen to the text at the same time by double-clicking on my image at the beginning of the document. An audio-only version is available in MP3 format in the media section of this website.
If I would like some guidance on planning an essay, I can click on this link. In this document, I can read information on essay planning. I can also listen to the document by clicking on the speaker at the start of each section. As you can see, this document breaks down the tasks involved in essay writing and provides useful tips to guide you from initial research on your topic down to proofreading the final draft. There is a wide range of specific information on each aspect of essay writing available here, from analysing the question, to identifying different types of essay structure, to writing the essay and using quotations from textbooks, and finally the last stage of essay writing, proofreading. The document called How to Make Mind Maps gives valuable advice on how to structure your essay using a mind map. There's another document in this section on how to apply this strategy in an exam. Let's now look at what information is available in the section on exams, which can be applied to Leaving Cert exams. There is some general information to dispel myths around exams to eliminate anxiety. There are also guidelines on when and how to begin revising. There's also advice on how to remain healthy, alert and calm during the exams in the Zen approach, and advice on how to memorise information, how to approach essay writing exams, and tips on time management during exams. This is all very important and applies to any exams you will take, including the Leaving Cert. Let's now have a look at brain training. Here you will find tips and tricks to improve concentration and your brain processing speed, learn to read faster and more effectively, and utilise your memory capacity to a high level. Under technical stuff, there is information on using technology to support your learning, from adapting your PC or laptop to make it visually more comfortable to use, to tips on useful websites and mobile phone applications to support your learning. Finally, our podcasts provide very useful information if you're thinking about pursuing education to third level. Here we have a number of short video clips that will outline information you may need to know if you're applying to college and have a disability. There is a podcast that explains how to use software to convert text to speech, and other podcasts that explain aspects to college study that may be new, for example, finding books in the library or referencing the sources that you used when writing an essay. There's also a very useful podcast here on exam tips, which contains further advice that you can apply to Leaving Cert Study.